oh, this class is full of talent. Like, I was so surprised, but nah, it was really good. They got the message. I think that it resonated with them. I started New York's Nationality, and I feel like the only reason it reached to where it's at right now is because of the kids. So I try to get involved with the community as much as possible, because I wouldn't be where I'm at right now with my brand if it wasn't for the support that my team and I get. I started my first clothing brand back in high school. It didn't really work out, but just giving it another try and being patient with the idea and the passion, because I just like creating. So when I gave it another chance, like, I got kids in elementary school that know my brand. Like, I never thought that this would be possible, but because I followed my heart and was just resilient, it was able to happen. We like to just get involved with other organizations that do things for the community. I enjoy doing things like this because just being around the kids and just giving them a little bit of motivation to see somebody a little bit more younger too, that is doing something not too common. Not a lot of people can be like, yeah man, I got my clothing brand, I sell paintings, it's possible. So I try to be at least the face for that.